Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you the basics of Adobe Photoshop. First of all, I'll open the application and go through the process of creating a new file in Photoshop. So, after opening the application, for the first time you may see a welcome message as shown in my screen. To create a new file, you have to go through the new file icon right here and click that, and after you may see a new pop-up window like this. This is the window where we create the new file and customize it with different properties that you want to work with. In the left side, we can select different types of presets for different purposes. We can also select one of them or work with, or else we can create our own preset by entering custom values. Right up here, we can add a name to our project, and below after that, we can add the width and height for our editing canvas. Also, we can change the measurement type by clicking this. As an example, if I want to create a canvas with 360 pixels wide and 306 pixels high, I just click this and change this type to pixels. And also, you can change your orientation to horizontal or vertical by using this. Underneath that, you can add your resolution to your project canvas by entering a custom value. Just like in the width and height section, you can also change the unit type of your resolution. After that, you can change your color space to RGB, CMYK, bitmap or whatever that you like. Most of the time we use RGB for digital content creation, except if we are designing for print something. Finally, we can add a color to our canvas background by clicking this right here. Or else you can choose your own color by clicking the color picker right next to it. After adding this all properly, we can hit the create button to create the canvas and start editing on it. If you find this video was helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel.